Alright, y'all, so since I ended with the shoe on the last one with the red, I'm going to begin with the shoe on this one. This one probably will go a little bit quicker because I didn't get so many pieces in the signature denim, but I already have quite a bit of signature denim remaining from both retail and an outlet piece as well. But these shoes were the first ones I probably saw online, and I think this color sold out the quickest, especially in my size. Either they don't make many size 11s, or there are more people that wear a size 11 than we think. But this is the signature denim that they're calling Indigo. And this is the information for it. And I need to show y'all the information for the red, because I don't think I did that either. So let me do that before I continue. This is the information for the true red platform sandal. Okay, y'all, so same with this one. Like I said, the comfort of it, the width, everything, wide foot friendly, medium foot friendly. Not sure if you have a narrow foot, how that would work with your feet kind of sliding through here, but this is the platform. And let's go ahead and compare it to, well, let me open the other items first off. This item here in the back was absolutely not on my radar at all. That's what happens when you go over to the men's side. So if anyone that's watching, if you missed out on this, and of course they're going to restock, we just don't know when they're going to restock, check out the men's items, because they have some denim pieces on that side as well. As you saw, the red, they do have black as well as the indigo. But I did grab a card case. And as you see, it does have the gold hardware on this. And I'm going to compare it to the last denim drop, which was actually almost a year to go to the date, I believe, y'all. As you see, the newer signature denim is a lighter wash, but they can very easily intertwine. They're so close. The blues, you can see the difference there with the blues. And this one is also a mini ID card case. And then just to bring in one of the retail denims with the signature denim with the silver hardware to compare all three. And then lastly, to bring in the retail denim. Well, this is retail, and these two, of course, are outlet. And then another retail denim that dropped before the silver retail. To see, let me turn it. Just so you can see how well they mesh together, even though the shades and the textures and the C's, everything is slightly different. Even the hardware on three of them is gold hardware, and then the silver on the large wristlet there in the middle. Just for a picture to see the difference in the three. So with the lighter wash for the most recent drop, like I said, it still can easily blend on in with the rest of them. Same with matching it with the shoes. I would not have a problem wearing those together at all. So this bag here in the back, and I need to get, oh, I forgot to get a pillow, y'all. I need to put a pillow in this bag because it is pretty large. It's called a small, but to me it's a very large bag. So I am interested to see what the large actually looks like, if they're calling this a small. And I love how the handles are, so we'll get to those in a moment. But this is the information for it. It's a small tote in the signature denim with silver hardware, and that is the style number 4, CDF24. And even though this is listing as a price for it, y'all, this was $1.99 for this bag. let me go get a pillow so you can see how large it is. And I decided to, instead of putting a pillow inside, I'm going to put 2 shoe boxes inside to see if that gives you a good idea of how much this bag can hold. I would say you can absolutely carry it as a slouchy purse. It is also, and you'll see the handles here in a moment, how they transform from top handle to a shoulder carry. And without any adjustments or anything, it's just the placement of your hands is how it adjusts. But you can absolutely carry this as a purse or travel with it. So I did notice on the red signature denim that they did put silver hardware on both the men's and the women. But for the denim, and I believe they did this before with the denim, they put silver hardware on the denim for the men and gold hardware on the bags for the women. Almost done unwrapping, y'all. And y'all, this one wasn't even out. They had another color out. And I asked the sales associate if it came in signature denim, and she went to the back and came out smiling. So I told her shame on her because this was not on my list to buy. But y'all, look how big it is inside. I don't know if this, no, it doesn't come all the way out. But it just has a big zipper pocket inside. No side pockets over here. And the zipper pocket goes about halfway to the bottom of the bag. And she did unzip it to get the security sensor out before I left. And I still went off when I left out of the store. So I'm going to go ahead and put the boxes in it so I can show you all how the handles convert from top handle to shoulder carry. I don't know if I can turn it sideways or not. And I can. So I think one box is okay. Thinking if I probably would have put it flat on the wider side, I could have stacked 2 in here, but this is going to at least get it to stand up, so it's still going to work out, y'all. So they made a big bag for men, but men, y'all know the women are going to be on your side also getting this big bag as well. And I like that it's slouchy because it doesn't have the structure to prevent you from putting what you want in it. It does not have any outside pockets. Okay, so I got the bag full in frame. As you can see how large it is. And I can put my ruler beside it. I'll put the measurements on the screen as well so that you all will see. But this is just a ruler to give you an idea that it's about 12 inches tall. And then the width itself is over 12 inches at the base. So it's about 15 or 16 across. But let me show you the handles, how they convert. I'm going to have to move the bag down just to get it in screen. So, of course, this top handle like this. This is the shorter length for the handles. And then if you just take the handle here and handle here, it automatically folds the top handles in. And you can tuck those there safely. And then you can just carry it by the top handles like this, or shoulder. You can put this on your shoulder. So it does not come with like a crossbody strap or a longer strap, but I just thought that was so neat how the handles convert from top handle to a shoulder carry without having to adjust it or anything like that, or keep up with any additional straps. So let me know what you all think of that. There is room, excuse me, here on the hardware if you do want to attach a strap. It would just have to come across the bag, unless you put some holes here on each end and put like a rivet, so that you could actually have a loop, put an O-ring on each side. But other than that, you can just do a cross strap from side to side, or like I said, just carry a top handle and shoulder carry only. But I thought that was neat, y'all. All right, so we have done the denim